Ryko knows that after clean engine oil, great filtration is the key to engine longevity. Let's take a look at the Ryko filter range and what they can do for you. The purpose of an oil filter is to capture minute particles shed within the engine through normal wear. Without this, these particles would flow freely and cause accelerated damage. Ryko oil filters will exceed manufacturer standards to offer better oil flow, extended service life, and of course, superior particle capture. Next in line is your air filter, your only defense against dust which can ruin your engine. Replacing this can also help reduce fuel consumption by up to 10%. Ryko air filters retain your new vehicle warranty while delivering superior efficiency, life, and flow. Did you know your car has a cabin air filter too? This filter exists purely to protect the occupants of your vehicle, arguably the most important thing. Ryko cabin filters will trap dust, pollen, soot, and bugs, with the MicroShield option even stopping viruses and bacteria in their tracks. For those who use their vehicle to the extreme, Ryko has a range of secondary filtration products for ultimate protection, including fuel pre-filter kits and oil catch cans. These come tailored to suit a range of makes and models. Complete your own service to a professional standard and choose Ryko filters at Supercheap Auto.